It's a very special day because yesterday I gave you another review of my algorithm crypto bot that has been making money most days. But I did tell you that I will still show you when it is losing money. And yesterday we were in a loss. Today, guys, the ones of you that trusted me and got involved last night, you're going to be happy today. Let me show you exactly why before I tell you how to get involved. So guys that got involved yesterday, look at this, 19.22% for the day. Guys, you just made yourself nearly 20% gains just for watching my videos and believing in me. And I'm going to tell you guys, if you haven't, how to get involved. So here's the bot, guys. All right, the portfolio change right now is up 19.22%. We do have trades on. You can see them here, all right? So we've got open trades on. What that means, guys, is there is trades going. They haven't lost, they haven't won because they haven't finished yet. Okay, so as you can see, we are actually minus in total of open trades, but once they close, the majority of these trades will always be in profit. Why is that? Because we use an algorithmic, all right? It's a bot that we don't own, but Cornix use, and we know the full configuration for it. And I will give you that with the Telegram link down below. So I just want to show you that it is real. I like doing this. See, here's the open trades, okay? All my money is invested into these. Guys, all of these look red. If you look at my video yesterday, the ones there were red, and now we're 19% up. That's how this works. All right, close trades you can see here as well. Look, so most of them close in a profit. Let me just go across. So you'll see green, green, green. There is a red one, okay? And as we go through, you'll see a lot of green, 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 and then the odd red one now and then. Okay, that's how it works. Sometimes we do lose, guys, okay? We can't win every single trade, but the majority of them, we will win. Now, how do you get involved in this? Okay, how do you do it? I'll tell you. There's a link down below, and you can sign up to Cornix and get a membership. I will get a small affiliate fee. I will get some commission for helping you get there, all right? There is also a second link that's going to take you to a Telegram where I can discuss with you the configuration of how to get the exact bot that I'm using that's made me 19, and all the people that got involved yesterday, 19.22%, okay? I'll show you exactly how to get that. Now, there is a third thing I want to speak to you about. My favorite thing to do is to trade crypto. Now, it's great having this bot running and making me money while I sleep, but I also like taking control myself. So there is a manual service that I've been using. There is a signals group in Telegram, and it is mind-blowing, guys, all right? This signals group has over 10 VIP groups. I found it by chance, all right? And I tested it. I've been testing it for about 3 months, all right? And it is absolutely fantastic. The signals that come through are absolutely insane, and you can choose then. You don't need to worry about, is this bot going to blow? Is this bot going to do this? If you don't trust it, okay, even though the bot is absolutely fantastic, you can take the trades yourself. All right, if you don't know what I'm talking about, just come and talk to me in Telegram. If you do know what I'm talking about and you've been looking for a signals group, this is for you. And guess what? We have a discount code for me. I've spoke to the guy that runs the signals. I have a discount code, so I will get a little affiliation, but you will save money, okay? It is usually hundreds and hundreds of dollars for a lifetime fee. You can get it right now for $99 just because of me. So guys, hit them links down below. Come and talk to me, and I will see you tomorrow. But make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and the bell if you want to be notified. I'll keep being honest as long as you keep trusting me. Let's make some money.